Most students study more, not better. It feels productive, but the brain is barely learning. Your brain doesn't store information just by reading. Use the SMART study system. Step 1. Close the book. Ask questions. Step 2. Spaced revision. Revise before you forget. Step 3. Teach to learn. If you can teach it, you know it. 1 hour study blueprint. 25 minutes study. 5 minutes break. 25 minutes recall. 5 minutes review. 1 focused hour greater than 4 distracted hours. Success is not about intelligence. It's about consistency. Small effort, every single day, changes your future. Discipline today, freedom tomorrow. Subscribe Nyabify. Thanks for watching.